Good morning, grade 8. How are you today? I hope all of you are well. This is your English teacher, Ms. Bisan, and this is week 7 of our online learning. Today, our goal is to learn the direct and indirect speech in grammar lesson. The direct speech, also known as quoted speech, is used to say the exact words the person had said. Quotation marks have to be used. In indirect speech, the verb tenses do not change since we just report or copy what the person had said directly on the spot. For example, open quotation, I received a high grade, comma, close quotation, she said, period. Now, or you can say it in the other way, she said, comma, I received a high grade. Notice that the quotation marks are there, the period is before the quotation. Or if it's a question, you can put a question mark or exclamation. It depends on the kind of sentence you are relating to. And of course, the quotation mark comes after the punctuation. In indirect speech, and that is also known as reported speech, is used to report what the person had said without using word for word. It doesn't use quotation marks. The verb tense changes when using the reported speech. For example, somebody has said something in front of you and you went home. Along the way, or when you reach home, you told somebody at home what the person had said before. So it doesn't happen directly. You're relating or reporting what the person had told you before. Let's say, for example, remember this sentence. I received a high grade, she said. That's in the direct speech. You have quotation marks. It will become, in the indirect speech, she said that she had received a high grade. Notice that I placed it between brackets because it's optional. You can remove it. You can also say she said she had received a high grade. Notice in the previous direct speech, in the quoted speech, you have received as the past tense, simple past. Look how the verb had changed to the past perfect. Had received. Now this table, it can help you a lot when you're going to do the exercises, how the verb tense changes from direct to indirect speech. Let's say, for example, the present tense in the direct speech will become the past simple. The present continuous or progressive will become past continuous or past progressive. The present perfect will become past perfect. Simple past will become the past perfect. Of course, the models you can notice how it will change in the indirect speech or reported speech. You have the examples also that can help you a lot in your work. As well as I need you to refer to this table where you see the direct speech. For example, if she said, I'm going now, in the indirect speech now will become then. She said she was going then, okay? Here will become there. This in the direct speech will become that in the indirect speech because you know that the time has passed when the person has said those words. So the reported speech is later on you're reporting what the other person had said without using quotation marks. The verb tense has to change according to the table, and of course some of the words. For example, yesterday will become the previous day or the day before. Tomorrow will become the next day or the following day. Please refer to this PowerPoint. See it again. Take notes of that when you want to do your own exercises, guys. And I wish you luck with your work. And we will meet during our online sessions. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you're going to do it well and love you all.